Plant FAQs. Colocasia blue Hawaii. The allure of the Colocasia blue Hawaii, a gardener's guide. The Colocasia blue Hawaii isn't your average houseplant. With its vibrant foliage boasting a mesmerizing interplay of green, blue, and purple, it injects a touch of the tropics into any space. As a lover of all things botanical, Ferb Vu, was instantly captivated by this beauty. But beyond its aesthetics, the blue Hawaii is surprisingly easy to care for, making it ideal for both seasoned gardeners and curious novices. In this guide, I'll share my experiences and everything you need to know to cultivate this captivating plant. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Colocasia blue Hawaii? The Colocasia blue Hawaii, also known as the blue Hawaiian elephant ear, belongs to the Araceae family, sharing kinship with favorites like philodendrons and peace lilies. It's a tuberous perennial, meaning it grows from a bulb-like underground structure. But unlike its close relative, the Alocasia, the blue Hawaii's heart-shaped leaves gracefully droop downwards, adding a touch of elegance to its tropical charm. The true showstopper, however, is the foliage. The large, glossy leaves are a rich emerald green, adorned with prominent veins and edges that shimmer with a captivating blue-purple hue. This striking color combination is what truly embodies the spirit of its namesake, the idyllic Hawaiian Islands. How to care for your Colocasia blue Hawaii. Bringing the tropics indoors is easier than you think with the blue Hawaii. Here's how to ensure your plant thrives. Light. This tropical beauty prefers dappled sunlight or bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, allowing excess water to drain freely. Overwatering is a common culprit for root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. As a native of the tropics, the blue Hawaii enjoys a humid environment. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more comfortable atmosphere. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark provides excellent drainage and aeration. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every 2 to 4 weeks. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage the plant. Can I store a blue Hawaii Colocasia in the basement? While the blue Hawaii is a tropical plant, it's not frost-tolerant. Basements tend to be cool and potentially drafty, making them unsuitable for overwintering the Colocasia. If you live in a region with harsh winters, it's best to bring your plant indoors before the first frost. Here are some alternatives to storing your blue Hawaii in the basement. Sunny windowsill. A sunny windowsill that receives bright, indirect light is a great option. Just be mindful of drafts. Grow light. If natural light is limited, a grow light can provide the necessary illumination to keep your plant healthy during the winter months. Greenhouse. If you have a greenhouse, it's the perfect place to overwinter your blue Hawaii. The controlled environment offers ideal conditions for continued growth. How to propagate your Colocasia blue Hawaii. Sharing the beauty of the blue Hawaii is easy with propagation. Here's how to create new plants from your existing one. Division. During repotting, you can carefully divide the tubers of your blue Hawaii. Each tuber section with an growth point can be potted up individually to create new plants. Corm offsets. Over time, the mother plant may produce small corms, secondary tubers, at the base. These can be carefully separated and potted up to grow new blue Hawaiis. What to plant with your Colocasia blue Hawaii. The dramatic foliage of the blue Hawaii makes it a stunning focal point. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Ferns. Ferns with delicate fronds create a lovely contrast to the bold leaves of the blue Hawaii. Begonias. Begonia varieties with colorful blooms add pops of color and complement the tropical vibe. Caladiums. The vibrant foliage of caladiums comes in a wide range of colors and patterns, creating a visually captivating combination. Conclusion. The enduring allure of the blue Hawaii. The Colocasia blue Hawaii is more than just a houseplant. It's a conversation starter. Its captivating beauty and surprisingly easy care requirements make it a perfect addition to any indoor space. With a little TLC, you can cultivate a touch of the tropics in your own home and experience the joy of watching its magnificent foliage unfurl, bringing a breath of fresh air and a touch of paradise indoors year-round. So, if you're seeking a statement plant that's both easy on the eyes and requires minimal fuss, look no further than the Colocasia Blue Hawaii. It's a guaranteed conversation starter and a true gem for any plant enthusiast.